Hey guys, what's up? It's Suani Egani here. I've noticed a lot of people are really into the base-free makeup tutorial because we all still have to wear masks, but we all want to wear makeup, right? I mean, it's spring, come on, all the corals, all the spring pinks. So the best tip that I can give you guys when doing a base-free makeup is to not care so much on how your skin looks like. I mean, the reason why we look up these base-free or foundation-free makeup tutorials in the first place is not necessarily because we lack the techniques, right? I mean, putting on the foundation is actually a lot harder than not putting on the foundation, right? It's just skipping a step. Rather, I think the actual underlying reason as to why we look up these tutorials is to get inspired, to get encouragement, and to get assurance that it's okay to go out in the world with less makeup and show our bare skin. So just remember, your skin does not have to be perfect for you to go foundation free. It doesn't matter if you have hyperpigmentations, bordes, lines, wrinkles, dark circles. I have all of those stuff, so that's fine. Woohoo! Like I mentioned in my recent video, as long as your skin is healthy, it really doesn't matter how it looks like on the superficial level. Let's actually get started with the tutorial. Chop chop! Alright, I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can actually see how my skin is. So yeah. It's hot. Spring is here. It's getting really warm. I'm sweating. Sweaty Sue is making a comeback. So I deliberately put the light setting real low so that you guys can see all the nooks and crannies and the borders and the details of my skin. So I have lots of acne, lots of borders. So yeah. Like I said, for me, what matters the most is that my skin is healthy as opposed to how it looks like on the surface. So we're gonna focus on that, making sure that my skin's healthy. And so I will be starting out with my skincare. I'm going to do a good job in hydrating and moisturizing and putting on SPF. First, to hydrate, I will be using the Mito on Cell Rejuvenation 10% Niacinamide Boosting Ampoule. I love this stuff. It's so delish. And with this product, I'm just going to hydrate my skin really well. Ooh. And then to properly moisturize my skin and to lock in this hydration, I will be using the Rovectin Skin Essentials Berry Repair Face Oil. Yes, this actually has been repairing my skin barrier. I am very, very grateful for this. This has squalene in it. And so considering that it's an oil product, it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. Yes, moisturization. Of course, SPF is fundamental when it comes to taking care of your skin's health. You really want to block out those nasty UV rays against your skin so that it's protected from skin deterioration, aging, wrinkles, damage, etc. So I will be putting this Etude House Sunprise Mild Airy Finish. Love, love, love this. Protect your skin at all costs. Don't forget your hands and neck. The next tip I have is observe your skin and set your own standard of how you want your skin to look like, as opposed to following an influencer standard, for example. This way, you can feel more sure about the makeup that you did and you can just rock it and own it, baby. For example, do you want your skin to be more glowing, or do you want it to be more matte, or do you want it to be less red? Do you want more coverage, etc.? And that is completely up to you, and don't let anyone else, do not let anyone else state otherwise and tell you what you should have put on.
Oh, you should have put on more concealers because look at your acne scars.
So for me personally, I'm going to focus on the overall aura and complexion of my skin. Basically, I just want to look like I've had 10 hours of sleep and I just came back from a kick-ass holiday for like a month and I'm just stress-free, which I'm really not right now. Woohoo! And so to do that, because I do now have more of a dry skin type, I will be reaching out for the AHC Aura Secret Toner Cream. This is a very glowy, dewy toner cream, and PS, I've been testing out a lot of toner creams so I can do a review video for you guys, so stay tuned for that. But yes, as you guys can see, it has a lot of oil content, so it's a lot more appropriate for dry skin types. So I'm just going to apply this on the higher points of my skin and I'm just going to rub it in. And like I said, because this is a more dewier type, it blends out a lot easier than your other regular tone-up creams. Now, with that being said, I have to say the longevity of the tone-up effect isn't as strong, but I can live with it. And that is it for my base. And I know, guys, I still have acne scars here, redness, but to be honest, guys, I do not give an F because these are just residues of what had happened on my skin as opposed to actual acne. So yeah, I'm just gonna let them be. I don't really care that much, and we're just going to move on. Moving on to the eye makeup. And my tip is that it's along the same line. Oh my god, I forgot my English. Basically, you should put on makeup to the point it makes you happy. So it's spring, like I said, and I've just been really enjoying myself. These beautiful Cora palettes. Isn't this so beautiful? This is the A.Black Glam Change Multi Palette number 3 Cora Bouquet. Yes. Oh, look at this beautiful palette. I'm going to start out with this coral base pinkish color and just set that all over the lids. Oh, this color is beautiful. I'm going to use this color and then put that at the center. It's more of an orangey brickish color, if you will. And then I'm going to take these darker colors and deepen my eyes. Ooh, that's a little too much, but that's okay. Keep it cool, breathe, and just blend it out. Just to say a couple of things about this palette, I love it. It's very pigmented, and I love the glitters. So beautiful. So I'm going to take this orangey color and just mix it with this one and put it on the center of my lids. Can you see that? It's so beautiful. And then I'm just going to go on with the rest of my eye makeup and just first color my lashes, do the eyeliner, the whole routine. You guys know how it goes down, right? This eyeliner, which I've been loving, is a Dear Own Drawing Jet Pen Liner number 3 Reddish Brown. I love it. Put on some fixers. This is the Etude House one. You guys know I can't live without this. To be exact, my lashes can't live without this. It's so good. For the mascara, I'm going to use the Tonímory Shockingcara number 2 Extreme Lash. I also love this as well. It really gives you that va-va-voom. That instant va-va-voom. It also has bits of fibers in it, so it lengthens up your lashes. Woo! I just put on this beautiful glitter color on my egg salad to make it pop, and popped they are. For the brows, I'll be using the Mamonde 2-step. Perfect brow fix number one natural brown. Since my hair is a brighter color. So I did get my brows microbladed, but it's like, they still ain't symmetrical, girl. So I gotta draw it in. I do like to go over my brows with something lighter. This is their Dear Own Mood Coloring Brow Crown number 1 Creamy Blonde. It is very, very blonde. But I like it because it suits my hair tone, you know? You know what I'm saying? So I first like to brush it backwards because you really want to get in all the sides of your brows, and then I like to then brush it back to how I want them to be. See? So pretty! Coral spring! And now moving on to the lips, which I do have another tip for you. So if you are someone with a little bit of redness, a little bit of acne scars, hyperpigmentations, I really recommend using a bright red striking color for your lips because it will draw away the attention of the gazer and they will immediately be attracted to your lips as opposed to the other components of your skin. So the lip product that I've been enjoying is the Clio Matte, what are you called? Stain Lip number 8 Pumpkin Moment, and it's this beautiful striking red brick color. Woo! Yes! And this lip product is a bit more on the matte side, which makes it ideal to wear under masks, and I've noticed that it transfers less onto the masks, which can be quite irksome at times, I must say. Yes, just like immediately. All eyes on the lips, right? Alright guys, that's it for my own base-free makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and of course you're welcome, more than welcome to adjust anything on it. For me, as you guys saw personally, I just went all out with the eyes and the lips while letting my skin breathe because I just think that's the whole purpose of doing a base-free makeup, right? I just wanted my skin to be breathing, healthy, popping, just living and chilling. Alright guys, don't forget to press like if you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next. Ciao!